Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One2Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix Google Play device not compatible error. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Whenever you receive your device is not compatible with this version error message on Google Play Store, the first thing you'll need to do is to clear your Google Play Store cache and then the data. Go to your settings on your phone and search for apps under settings. Tap on Google Play Store from the app list and tap it on. From this page, go to storage and you'll be able to see a clear cache button at the bottom right. Give it a tap and then move on to the bottom left side and tap on clear data. From the pop-up, select OK, and now go back to Play Store and see if that fixes your issue. After you do this, this should erase everything and get rid of any corrupt files that seem to be causing this problem on your Google Play Store. So whenever you receive device not compatible error message in Google Play Store, you can simply go to your settings and clear your Google Play Store data and cache quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.